Did you know that Max4Live has a package manager? So if you don't know what a package manager is, it's basically an app store, more or less, except for I don't think anything on here actually costs money. So let's show you how to get there. So this Max4Live button on the very left, right? If you go to any of these really, throw down something like this, and you hit that edit button, it will take you into Max4Live. And you can click on File and then Show Package Manager. So you do that and you'll get this, right? And there's this whole app store, right, which I'll leave you to explore. But I want to show you the gist of how it works. So you've got this. So if you install that, right, you will eventually have it installed, and when you click on it the next time and you click launch, this pops up. Now this isn't a Max4Live device, this is actually the edit page for Max4Live device, right? And you could probably compile this and stuff, but this is actually 3 devices, right? So this is like a step sequencer thing with curves. This is like a granular device with 4 voices and individual grain controls. This is some sort of MIDI video effect. I haven't used any of these yet. I just read the descriptions on their website. But if you go into the file browser, which is right by the package manager, what you'll find is specifically under packages, right? You can find what you downloaded and you'll find the stuff here. Now in the file browser, if you click on one of them, it'll tell you where they are. So documents, Max, packages, this bundle that I got, patches, etc. Right, so I opened that up, and as you can see, we've got these patches right here. Now I would probably take these and I would use Lynx, or I would find where in the settings you can change where the default directory is, because this isn't inside my Ableton library. I like to keep everything nice and tidy. But you'll find then the audio effects, you have this, step sequencer here, right, where we can draw on all these things, right? I don't know how to do the curves yet. There we go. Here's some action, right? And apparently this can control any parameter. So how rad is that, right? All right, kids. Well, that's pretty much all I have for you. I just wanted to show you the package manager and essentially how to use it and how to find out where your packages actually are, right? Go explore this. Go nuts. This is awesome. This is new to me too. All right, take care.